everybody, and welcome to Cambridge.
Art is?
Yep.
Cambridge.
It's Abby from the Cambridge Arts Festival. We're delighted to be launching in February, the 12th to the 18th, so make sure to pop that date in your diary. The Cambridge Arts Festival will incorporate a variety of different art forms. We're talking architecture, music, painting, sculpture, anything that you can think of will be at the Arts Festival, all coming soon. We'll be showcasing dozens of different artists from all over Cambridge, bringing community to the city centre for everyone to enjoy. Arts Festival, be there! I think we all know that art means lots of different things to different people, and we want to know what the people of Cambridge think art means to them. Arts everywhere in Cambridge. Art is
an expression of whatever's inside you, conscious or not.
An expression of the things that we can't always say.
History.
An essential part of our societies, our culture, and well worth defending.
Emotion.
A great expression of humanity.
Art is
Beauty.
Something that gives you a feeling you can't get anywhere else.
I feel it was quite difficult to think of what isn't art. And it's actually very difficult, I think, to think of anything, even a lottery ticket. The numbers on a lottery ticket is not art, but the actual ticket itself, I think, is
Art is just uplifting. It just makes me feel happy.
A form to shape the city.
Fun, creative, imaginative, life.
Art is not necessarily tangible. You could say it's a philosophy, or to use a cliche, a state of mind. However, the art that we see, that we have access to, that is tangible, and that is a conduit into the mind and soul of the artist.